What's going on, guys? Justin with Z1 Off-Road. Today we're going to be installing our front recovery points. Now this will replace your factory tow hooks on your D41 Frontier. This is made from a 4130 piece of forged chromoly, so they're significantly stronger than your factory tow hooks, but it also allows you to run a forged shackle or one of our billet shackles for your recovery tow point needs. So let's show you how easy it goes on. So in your kit, it's going to include our piece of 4130 chromoly steel, a forged piece, and you'll get your choice of forged or billet tow bracket. And it's just 2 bolts. Now this one has our steel radiator skid, but it'll bolt up in the exact same place that your factory tow hooks do. All you need is a 15 mil. We'll just unzip one side of those real quick. And snake that out. And then you just torque them to 96 foot-pounds. So now you have a recovery point, so you can mount one of our shackles. This is our forged steel shackles, but you also have the option to upgrade to our billet shackle as well. And that's one. So it'll literally take you longer to choose if you want red with a black isolator, black with a red isolator, black and black, red and red, polished aluminum, or black anodized billet. And we repeat this process on the other side. And I'm starting with hands. And it's easy as that. These can go on Facebook Marketplace, and now you can get pulled out of the mud. Check them out at z1offroad.com.